am going to tell you something that's going to sound a little bit crazy, but it's true. I made over $500,000 in the last 30 days without talking, without any of that fancy equipment that everybody likes, without AI. I made it simply by starting a channel. And if you are between 30 to 70 years old, you better listen up, because this changes everything. This one simple, easy system changes everything. In this video, I am going to show you guys how to start a faceless channel step by step, and how to retire from that faceless channels. Even if you don't have any experience, even if you don't like showing your face on YouTube, that's even better. I'm going to show you how to do it in 3 super simple, super easy steps. So let's go. Well, if you're new to the channel, my name is Coach Sam, and I am your faceless channel goddess. I am going to show you how you are going to build the simplest, easiest steps so that you guys can retire from your faceless channel. And when I tell you guys that you can start this, you don't need that fancy equipment, you don't need any followers, and you don't need to use your face at all. If you guys are like me and you guys are done with the struggle, it's time to go. Because I used to be a realtor, and I used to work 15 hours per day. Yes, 15 hours per day, talking to endless clients, getting stressed out. And y'all, that I'm not doing it anymore. I told my God, listen, I want a change. Please show me the way. And he showed me this super simple, super easy method. So let's get into it right now. So what is a faceless channel, Coach Sam? That's what so many people ask me. What is a faceless channel? A faceless channel is a channel that you either put on YouTube or TikTok where you are not showing your face. And you can make a faceless channel from anything. There are faceless kid channels. There are faceless cooking channels. It's a faceless channel. You're not showing your face, you guys. The only thing that you have to do is literally produce the channel. Yes, produce your channel. And for all of my people out there that's thinking that they can't do it, I have students in my class that are 60, 70 years old who are producing channels and making the income, And you guys, if you don't want to show your face, you don't have to. That's the whole premise behind a faceless channel. Okay, so let me give you my 3-step method, because I know that's what you came here for. So your first step, you guys, is finding the niche. The niche is so important, you guys. And I'm going to show you in this video how to find that niche. So let's go. So the first thing that you're going to do, you're going to pick a profitable niche. Y'all, YouTube pays very well in these niches. The first niche, you guys, is health. The second niche is wealth. And the third niche is finance. And I want everyone to comment that in the comment section. This is the most important part of starting your faceless channel, is figuring out what you want to talk about. And like I said, picking a profitable niche, because guess what? YouTube rates these channels very differently. Someone who is doing pranks is not going to get paid as someone who is sharing financial information, okay? So for me and my channels, I have 5 channels on TikTok, and I have 5 faceless channels on YouTube. These are the channels. The first channel, you guys, I have a budgeting channel. Yes, YouTube pays me to help people budget. The second channel that I have is a debt channel. Yes, YouTube pays me to help people learn how to budget their finances. The third channel, you guys, I have a resume channel. YouTube pays me to help people find jobs. The fourth channel, you guys, is a motivational channel. And I'm going to tell everyone, if you're a beginner, start that motivational channel. That motivational channel is going to change their lives, and it's going to change yours. And then last but not least, you guys, I have a biblical channel. The biblical channel, you guys, that one does crazy numbers. numbers. The motivational and the biblical one, they are one and the same. So if you are a person who knows their scriptures, you better get on there and start that biblical channel, okay? So now that we have gone over what the niches are, you guys, so what I do for my channels, I actually go ahead and I actually link a digital product to the channel. So these are the digital products that I'm going to show you guys, but I'm going to show you my top performing digital downloads, you guys. And my top performing digital download, drum roll please, it is the budgeting tracker, you guys. My budgeting tracker, I sell for $50 a pop. You guys, it's my budgeting tracker. My budgeting tracker, I sell it for $50 a pop, yeah. $50 a pop. And when I tell you guys, that budgeting tracker is literally one of the first digital downloads that I use to retire myself. So I'm going to show you guys how to put it together in this video. It's simple and it's easy. So come on, let's go. So on my first channel, which is my budgeting channel, you guys, all I want you to do is you have the financial planner, you have the budget tracker planner, and then you have the budgeting planner. You guys, this was literally my second channel and it hit the moon. These budgeting trackers and planners, you guys, there are so many people out here that do not know how to budget, and everybody has a budget. So that's why they are doing exceptionally well, okay? So what you're gonna do to this budget planner, you're gonna get the budgeting planner. You're going to go to view template, okay? After you view the template, what you're going to do, and this is the super simple, easy way that you can do this for all of your digital products, you guys. You are going to go to templates. Once you go to templates, you're going to go to coaching ebook covers. Now, there's two ways to do this. If you want it 100% completely faceless, what you're going to do is you are going to go ahead and you're going to ask ChatGPT to make you a logo. After you ask ChatGPT to create your logo, you are going to use that logo in one of these picture inlets, okay? Or if you want everyone to know that this is coming from you and you are branding this, you are going to go right here, you guys, into the ebook cover that has that inlet. But you guys, you're going to put your picture in there. And that's if you want to show your face. So you can do this 100% completely faceless, or you can do this as a branding. You can do branding on this, okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to take this over here, and then we are going to go to replace current page. Now, if you're doing this completely faceless, go ahead, get that logo and put that logo into this picture inlet. But if you're not, what I want you to do is go to upload, okay? If you are branding this, go to upload, go get a picture of yourself. And you guys, this does not have to be a super fancy picture. As you guys know, I was in real estate, so I have professional photos, but yours does not have to be professional, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to a really nice area in your town. Go take a couple pictures, okay? Go take a couple pictures. You deserve it. But all you have to do is literally just bring that over here and change the title. That's it, and that's all. That is how super duper simple this is. Now, what you can do is either we're going to go to share, we're going to go to template link, and what you do is going to create template. So once this is created, you're going to put this on your stand store. And like I said, in the course, I show you step by step what to say, what to put in your stand store so that you're able to do this, okay? So you're going to put this into your stand store, or you're going to take this to Amazon KDP and make some money off of Amazon too. So that is my first digital product, you guys. That's my very first digital product. But let's go back and so I can show you the second, okay? So that digital product is for my budgeting channel. You guys, I also have a debt channel, okay? So with the debt channel, I go over here, and you guys, we are going to go to financial planner. You could either do the financial planner or you could do a bill tracker. It doesn't matter. So once we go over here to template, all you have to do, which is super duper simple, super duper easy. Like I said, these 5 digital products can literally pay for your entire life. They can literally free you from your 9-to-5 job. So you remember that cover we just made? Yes, you do. We're going to go right back up to you guys, we're going to go to projects. After we go to projects, you guys, we are going to go to designs, and you are going to pick out that what's called a right then and there. Okay, you are going to pick out the same ebook cover, and we're going to put that right there. Okay, we're going to put that same ebook cover right there. So all you have to do is move that up. Okay, move it up and change the title to your debt tracker, and there we go. Now you have the second product, you guys. Now my third channel, you guys, is my resume channel. You guys, my resume channel was literally my very first channel I had. There are so many people that are searching for a job. You guys, it is crazy. It is absolutely crazy. So you can sell these resume kits, which are really super simple and super easy, doing the same exact thing. So we're gonna go right here to resume templates. And you guys, you're going to use these resume templates. They're already created for your customers. You don't have to do anything. When I tell you guys that I built y'all a business in a box, and everything is plug and play, so that even as a beginner, you can get this, you can start rolling on it, and you can go. Okay, so that is the third digital product. And you guys, these are digital products that people actually need. These are digital products that people actually want. Okay, so that is the third one. Now you guys, my fourth digital product, and it is my motivational channel. It's for my motivational channel, you guys. So with the motivational channel, you go down here to the journal pages. Okay, you can do the spirituality journal, you can do the gratitude journal, the daily devotional journal. In fact, let's do that daily devotional journal. Okay, so you guys, and we're gonna put some more pages on here too. So all we're gonna do, you guys, is literally change your front page. That's it, that's all. Okay, so we're gonna go right down to projects, and then you guys, we are going to go to designs again. We're gonna pick this up. We're gonna pick this up, you guys, and we are going to go right here. We're gonna use this one. And then you guys, we're gonna add this as a new page, bring this one up, download it, and you guys, we're doing this in less than 5 minutes. In less than 5 minutes. And like I said, everything that you see here is going to be included within your course. So it makes it super simple, super duper easy. Okay, so all we're gonna do, you guys, is go to the template link, and you're gonna put this in your Stand Store or your KDP. Now for the very last digital product on the channel, the very last digital product on the channel, you guys, it is for my biblical channel. Okay, so what you're gonna do here, you guys, there are so many journals. So you can do the faith-based journal, you can do the abundance journal, or you could do a prayer journal. Okay, so let's get into that prayer journal. Yes, we're going to go to view template. We're going to go to Open Editor, and once we go to Open Editor, you guys, we are going to go right here to projects. Once we go to projects, you guys, we are going to go right there. Listen, we are making this as simple and as easy as possible. So what we're going to do is replace the current page, you guys, and boom, you now have a prayer journal. You guys, you can do any of these. And like I said, if you're a beginner, start off with one channel, one product, and then build your way up. And then the last thing, you guys, step number three, you guys, is to post your faceless content. It's to post your faceless content, you guys. So for step number 3, you're gonna go ahead and you are going to post that content. In my program, you guys, I have provided everyone with free viral digital content. Y'all, this content, it goes viral every single time I put it on the channel. And I absolutely love that, because guess what? As it's going viral, not only are you gonna get the attention to your channel, but you're also going to get the sales, you guys. Because as I told everyone before, views equal currency, and currency equals retirement, y'all. Currency equals retirement. So you guys, what I'm gonna do is I am going to leave a link in the description box. Go get the program, you guys, because I'm going to link a link below. So, and I'm gonna tell you guys what's in there, because I really want you guys to succeed. I really want you guys to make it. And y'all, let's go ahead and do it. And y'all, we have people in our program that are 60, 70 years old using these videos, using these faceless videos and retiring. That is going to be you. So click the link below. Not only are you going to get my full course in there, but you're also going to get that viral content. Y'all, that's the content that goes viral. That is what's going to make the channel go viral. And I love that for you guys. Okay. So all you have to do is literally pick from the content that I give you and make your money. You guys, we have men in our group that are making thousands of dollars using this faceless female content. You don't have to show who you are. You just gotta do it. You just gotta do it, okay? So I'm gonna leave a link. So not only is that program gonna come with your content, but it's going to come with every digital product that you saw in the video above, you guys. Every piece of digital content, y'all, is in there. So every digital product, which is the ebooks, the planners, the journals, they're all included within the program, you guys. So everything that you saw on this video, it is included within there, okay? And then, you guys, I'm not finished. You're going to get a community where all you have to do is drop your YouTube name in there, you guys. We follow each other so that we are able to get monetized, because monetize is the key to this, okay? You guys, I want to get you monetized within the next 2 weeks, okay? And last but not least, because I know some of you guys are going to need the help, we have a meeting every single Sunday, you guys. We have my mentorship meeting every single Sunday where I show you guys how to start your channels, how to set it up. And if you have any questions, I walk you through the questions, you guys. And that's because I want you to see and I want you to make it. So you guys, click the link in the bio, get in that program, take it, and come meet me Sunday, because Coach Sam is going to get you guys together, and I'm going to get you retired. Y'all, I want y'all to come live your life. You do not have to work at anybody's job when you got a faceless channel. And I want you guys to remember that you are better than working someone 9 to 5. You guys, I love you guys so much. Come join me, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.